Watching this video, we are about to witness a vision that borders on madness, yet pulses with hope. A bold plan to transform humanity into a multiplanetary species. We will explore Starship, the vessel that holds our ticket to Mars, and delve deep into the unprecedented challenges of a journey that could forever alter the destiny of humankind. From the first stirrings of life on Earth billions of years ago, we have always lived under a shadow of vulnerability. The threat of asteroid impacts, cataclysmic volcanic eruptions, and, in the distant future, the swelling of our own sun, all remind us that our home is precious, but fragile. Elon Musk has likened Earth to a hard drive, a vault containing the sum of human knowledge and experience, but one that could fail at any moment. Our mission is clear. We must create a backup, a second archive of humanity, elsewhere in the solar system. And of all the worlds orbiting our sun, Mars is the only place that holds the promise of becoming our backup drive. But there is one colossal barrier: the cost of space travel. To build a self-sustaining civilization on Mars, we need to transport millions of tons of cargo and, eventually, millions of people. At current launch prices, this is simply impossible. How do we make the unreachable reachable? The answer stands before us: Starship. Towering 123 meters high, this stainless steel colossus is unlike any launch vehicle in history. At its base, the Super Heavy booster, a powerhouse designed giant for raw thrust, and atop that, the Starship spacecraft itself. Both are engineered for rapid, full reusability, a revolutionary leap in spaceflight. The goal/launch costs from thousands of dollars per kilogram to just $100. This is not incremental progress, it is a revolution. But there's a true game changer at play here: orbital refueling. Mars is so distant that no single rocket can carry enough propellant for a round trip. Instead, multiple Starship tankers will launch into Earth orbit, transferring their fuel to the main crew and cargo ship. This innovation means we can send hundreds of tons of supplies in a single mission, opening the door to large-scale interplanetary logistics for the first time. And when we arrive, we must not remain dependent on Earth. Instead, using Mars's carbon dioxide-rich atmosphere and subsurface ice, we will manufacture methane and liquid oxygen, rocket fuel, right on the red planet. This process, known as the Sabatier reaction, transforms Mars into not just a destination, but a refueling hub for the return journey and future exploration. Recent milestones have transformed these dreams into tangible progress. In August 2025, the 10th Starship test flight marked a watershed moment. The Super Heavy booster executed a controlled splashdown in the Gulf of Mexico, while Starship itself landed safely in the Indian Ocean. For the first time ever, 8 simulated Starlink satellites were deployed, demonstrating Starship's commercial capabilities and the rapid advancement of its design. Each test flight, whether a triumph or a setback, is a vital lesson, part of a relentless cycle of testing, failing, and learning that brings us ever closer to Mars. Yet, this is not a journey for the faint of heart. 2 invisible but deadly adversaries await us: cosmic radiation and low gravity. Cosmic radiation is a threat unlike any faced on Earth. Without our planet's protective magnetic field, deep space and the Martian surface are saturated with high-energy particles. These can damage DNA, increase cancer risk, and jeopardize long-term health. Shielding astronauts from this hazard will be one of our greatest technical challenges. Then there's gravity, or the lack of it. Mars's gravity is just 38% that of Earth. Over the course of a 3-year round trip, astronauts could lose up to half of their bone mass. Muscle atrophy, cardiovascular issues, and the risk of irreversible osteoporosis loom over every step on Martian soil. The human body, evolved for Earth, will face a relentless test. Elon Musk has never sugarcoated the truth. Life on Mars, he warns, will not be luxurious. It will be dangerous, cramped, difficult, and hard. But that, he believes, is the price for humanity's survival. The roadmap is now in motion. By the end of 2026, SpaceX aims to send robotic missions to Mars, paving the way for crewed flights as soon as 2029. These missions will test life support systems, habitats, and resource extraction technologies, laying the foundation for the first human colony. Each Starship launch is more than just a rocket ride into the void. It is a statement of intent. It is a promise sent skyward that humanity will not be confined to Earth, but will reach out to the stars. The latest test flights, 10 as of August 2025, have not only refined Starship's design, but have also achieved critical milestones in reusability, payload deployment, and controlled landings. The upcoming flights, including the much-anticipated Starship during landing, signal the relentless pace of progress. But why do we do this? Why risk so much, invest so heavily, and dream so big? The answer is simple. It is necessary. We pursue this path not because it is easy, but because it is essential. In time, threats to our home planet will grow. If we are to ensure the survival of our species, of our culture, our knowledge, our hopes, we must become a multiplanetary civilization. This is a race against time, a race against entropy, and a bet on our own ingenuity. Guided by the vision of pioneers, fueled by the relentless work of thousands of engineers and scientists, and inspired by the dreams of millions, we are taking real steps toward that future. The journey to Mars will define a new era for humanity. The challenges are immense, but so is our determination. With every launch, every successful test, and every lesson learned, we move closer to the day when a human stands on Martian soil, not as a visitor, but as a settler. When that day comes, it will be the fulfillment of a dream that began not just in the minds of visionaries, but in the hearts of all those who dare to believe that our story is only just beginning. Together, we can make this dream a reality. The stars are waiting.